Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to make snaps disappear in chats on Snapchat. This feature allows your snaps to vanish after being viewed, adding an extra layer of privacy and ephemeral sharing. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap on a chat from your chat list, excluding the AI chat. Choose the chat where you want your snaps to disappear. Step 3. Tap on the name of the chat at the top of the screen. Then, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Chat Settings. Step 5. Next, disable Keep Snaps in Chats. By doing so, your snaps will disappear after being viewed, ensuring a temporary and fleeting nature to your shared moments. By following these simple steps, you can easily make your snaps disappear in chats on Snapchat and have a more ephemeral sharing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.